Let's do this right now. This is the plot that I was talking about. Ayoko kasing daanin sa cool edit yung voice ko. I play around with my voice. Let's do this right now. This is the plot that I was talking about. It's the UAAP Finals, Season 89. In her most daring role, ABS-CBN. Hello everybody, it's been a while. Medyo matagal tayo nawala sa ating Reels Radio because of the CPR issues, yung mga copyrighted songs na play natin. Pero it's okay. Alright, back here. It's just a short video. We're gonna make a plug, radio plug right now. At gagayahin natin yung boses ni Peter Rabbit. Siya yung boses ng ABS. High school pa lang tayo na isa na to sa mga hinahangaan natin. Core Pinoy na! Sandamakmak! Doon sa Sandamakmak! Doon a little emphasis on the makmak! Okay, here's the finished product. We're gonna put music bed.
Core Pinoy na! Sandamakmak ng mga paborito niyong awiting Pinoy!